Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una dey? I hope una dey fine. How everything? I hope everything dey fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I dey fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. Wey be say, if you see this one, my people, it go chocolize you. If everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one not go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what do you they wait for? As you they subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una. Make una watch the video, and I go also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all. Stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
Yeah, we're live, 24 beats showdown. We are live with you now. Yes, we are live now.
Guess where we are? We are in front of our Queen in Buckingham Palace. Our road that we Palace of the Queen, the Marina. My boy, anything we do, when you see Mazio, Mazio, every man of them, I have you. Now we can have the idea that we can if you money have to work again, you don't pay. You might be married again. Yes, yes. Yeah, whatever. It's so very you it's so man. It's so very man. Why can I? If you might have your way, you might do you where I will go outside first. What is any first? Anyone? I'm a jumper. A jumper. No. We have your number. Que foi sei lá. On jogo bem. Daí me mano. This is not good for me now. If I have yes, I feel say. If I say no, la you can make this is more fresh for me to do. Okay. We move. Okay, we move. slap us sit on that.
Even the way.
Go where you are. Me wa say wa say. E wa ko wa ja ke ti so o ba ki me wa la wa. E ku ni are ni o we wo ni me ko. Wa ju aso e be dia. Ya de enta ni ya o le bia. E ku yo. O direction ni. O ni we fia. O ni wa we bo. Okay. Me wa de wa. Ma be wa mu dia. E wa ni bo wa da fe so wa wa. E wa la wa.
Everyone, showdown. Get ready for tomorrow. It's gonna be lovely. Bomb Friday. That thing is gonna be a bomb. Sorry guys for some people that could not purchase tickets. You can also get tickets as well. Please, pardon us, forgive us. But I think there's this place in Manchester. About 100 tables, and I was told they're so close to 85 already. Please, we got 15 left in Manchester, so please try and hurry up and get your tickets because we don't want you to be left out in this powerful and wonderful event we're doing. By the grace of God, December, we're coming up again with a bigger one called the January Legend Show. Next year, we're going to hit a world tour by the grace of God. So please, forgive us, like I said before, for tomorrow. If you cannot get tickets or if you cannot enter, please. But we're going to do something. We're going to be live on YouTube, so you can watch us live on YouTube as you are also there with us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are going to stream tomorrow event live. We just do of Facebook live, then we're going to YouTube live so that everybody around the world can really watch tomorrow. The boys are prepared, they are fully prepared. Trust me, they are truly prepared. They've rehearsed. They're coming up with the new pattern this time tomorrow.
Tell me about tomorrow's show.
Tomorrow's show is going to be very powerful. London, get ready. Saturday, Leeds, get ready. Sunday, Manchester, get ready. It's going to be boom.
I wish you put it anywhere. I live like Benin. I wait, you know. Now people be DJ. I go in London, and so my assurance show in London. My anywhere but I do. If you London, wherever you are. Who are you? Who are you? Why did home? Why did London? Not to boy. My kilo Manchester. Yeah, everyone here doing well.
Oh yeah.
Update, time for update. Tomorrow, please, London. A jolly visit. I can speak English. You can be in London and still be speaking. Wow. Please, you guys come out tomorrow. Come support us. We're going to be giving you good music back to back. Like I told you before, we're going to turn London upside down musically.
Wow.
The time is here. Come here, good music. The king of microphone is here. I'm a Jojo Latin, Infinity Dance Hall.
Alaska.
Yeah, it's your boy Prince Kelvin, Alaska. Gentleman with gentle character. My emo boshati pe radio. Nala o in London. Emma na we show ahwe. Nala o. Nebuya do the team by my team. Or why you born me or not him woman? Not do some by my man. I woman not making a cardboard. Please, we need your support. Please come out. Let's celebrate together. God bless you all. Alaska, I love you, home.
We London. Come and watch
Famous, okay. Famous is right there. Always do zone. That's a Riaza. And then Jackie Sula just somewhere.
Yeah. No, I can't have anything.
Jackie Sula and Uyi.
No, I can't have anything.
Uyi. You're alive, yeah. So too young.
You're on live. You need to greet the fans and tell them what you are expecting to give them tomorrow.
Beautiful fans, we are expecting you guys to come join us. We are giving you the best, all the way from Benin Kingdom. We are going to give you the best. Wahala waya dio mamwedobo wadira kwe. Do mawa mure. Wa mi maya fefefe irio pe gyope mabaya do re do ni ya fefefe maya wareva mabowa do UK wa de. Wa mi egbe wa kwe o wala waya wa de ba waya la wa wesi waya de biri you body masi wala wa. Waya pe ma de wa mi ya fefefe de ma vio pedore. Ma vio no wa wesi o.
Okay, better go.
Yeah, we've got your fans live on Facebook. Just say hello to them and just let us know what they should be expecting from you tomorrow.
in English or in English?
Anyone.
Anyhow you want to do it.
Spanish.
My friends. Hola, mi amigos de todo el mundo. Estoy aquí ya en Inglaterra para actuar.
Wow.
Mañana mismo, mañana por la noche,
Wow.
es la noche que nosotros vamos a actuar.
Wow.
Viene uno, viene todos. Por favor, viene a ayudarnos para que esta estación sea muy bueno.
Wow.
Muchísimas gracias. My friends all over the world, this is Beko Junior. I want to pledge with all you, with all of you. So please come out tomorrow. Tomorrow night is the D-Day. The London show is tomorrow. It's sold out, but I know you're gonna be there. Come one, come all. Uyi is gonna be there. Osaro is gonna be there. Osula is gonna be there. Bayo is gonna be there. Isoka is gonna be there. 24 Building 7 is gonna be there. Come one, come all. It's a sold out. Me, I don't ready. You go do it well.
Yeah, we also have here Jackie Sula.
I had who can celebrate with us. I don't go to man. And I play music, musicology, that's what I'm saying. I play better sound, good sound, so I don't feel him, I don't give him a and all that. Where? I want to feel him, I need the ginger. So they need to ginger us. So that so that I'm making a, because I'm a trouble market. You understand? So, trouble market, family. So, for those for the mom, I play good music. That's the basic. So, everybody should come out now. It's gonna be boom, shakata, prospect. It's gonna be story. Yeah, listen to my story. Yeah, I remember my papa. Yeah, he trained on me before.
So, come on, yeah, love you guys. Peace out.